Hello, hello. Live stream number 61. Let's do it. Alrighty. Sunday night into Monday morning. Had a very good week last week. So I'm hoping for the same this week. And hopefully get this $50,000 challenge done this week. I have 3 different compound cycles going right now. So it should be really easy. If I don't get the first one, I should get the second one. If I don't get the second one, I should get the third one. It's going to be really difficult for me to not get any of those 3. That would be almost impossible. I'd have to really be messing up. My trading has been fantastic ever since that one little incident. Only really bad incident that I've had this whole entire year, pretty much. Been pretty smooth trading. Okay. I think today is the day that the EGBP finally starts to go back up. I think it's today, from what I can tell. All right, just checking everything out. Okay. Still have 22 minutes before the open. So I've still got plenty of time. And as usual, not trying to take any trades before the open other than really solid EMA pullbacks, and I mean super solid. So far, hopefully going long on the EGBP. Not a guarantee, but I think that's gonna be one of the moves I can go for. Still waiting on this to reverse. Hasn't happened yet, shockingly enough. See what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin's still hovering between like 27K and 30K. Once again, shout outs to El Salvador. Gold is still way up there. S&P is still way up there. See what the francs are doing. See what the dollar's doing actually. Kind of a toss-up, really. It's kind of a toss-up. Should go up, really, but it's not looking like a guaranteed move upwards. Just the Well, depending on what the dollar does, we might short the GU. If the dollar is going to end up going up, and you got that EGBP going up, so it'd be a fantastic time to short the GU. Okay, so far EGBP is looking like the only solid trade, but of course that can change in the next 22 minutes. But yeah, definitely looks pretty good. Since it is before the open of the session, can't do anything yet. So I'm just gonna have to patiently wait on this one. It is forming a nice consolidation trend continuation pattern right now. So hopefully what we get is a breakthrough and then a pullback. That's why I'll go ahead and take my trade on the pullback. EMA pullback. Just want to be sure that I'm actually right on the move. I had a pretty relaxing weekend, although I did work quite a bit. I did not end up going to the music festival. I just unfortunately did not have the time to get out there. It's kind of far away. Wasn't actually in the city. It was kind of outside the city, so maybe next year. Maybe next year I'll make it over there. Yeah, I'm trying to have this challenge done probably by like Wednesday or Thursday. And I'll still have the 10-day minimum that I'll have to finish. All right. Looks like it's already ready to break out here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I could safely take this trade here. I'm just not gonna do it. Gotta follow the rules. Gotta follow the rules. So while I'm waiting, let me go ahead and take a look at the news. I'm pretty sure there's not anything. Yeah, no news at all today. It is a CAD bank holiday. Victoria Day. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I don't know what half these holidays are. I don't even know a lot of the US holidays, let alone all these like foreign holidays. I have no idea. But shout outs to Canada. Yep. Yeah, this should be a really easy EGBP long day. And yeah, hopefully the dollar decides on a direction. That would make for some easy trades too. Yeah, it looks like the dollar might go up. It's not like a guarantee. Not a solid guaranteed move, but looks like it'll probably happen. All right. Am I gonna regret not getting into this? Nah, I should pull back anyway. So I think we're okay. Should be able to get something on it later. All right. Got 11 minutes before the open. Yeah, some Mondays do tend to be slow, but hopefully, let's see. Yeah, hopefully by the open, the dollar will have at least goes in our direction. It looks like it should go up. That's my prediction, but you know, especially the dollar can be very unpredictable at times. But since I'm using a compounding strategy, I have to go for very solid moves. Right, got 8 minutes left. Yeah, I'm really surprised the odd NZD is still coming down. Pretty surprising. Yeah, I'm not too sure on the dollar going up yet. See the yen. Yeah, really the only time I take yen trades is on like super heavy pullbacks. During like big moves up like this pullback right here. Stuff like that. That's what the yen is good for. The yens are good for. Got 6 minutes to go. Hoping on a nice easy day. It's looking like it might be one of those 1, possibly 2 trades type of days. It's not looking like a very big momentum day. All right, 4 minutes and 30 seconds to go. Because looks like it's starting to reverse here, but it's still like too heavy of a downtrend to take anything there. Yeah, we definitely might have some short trades on the major pairs. Not sure though. They're not looking super solid. All right, got 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Whew. The weather is finally heating up, which I'm completely okay with. I always take the hot over the cold, always. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna be able to short the majors. I do want to see like a pullback after the open. But I think I'll take my first trade here on the EGBP, and then we'll go from there. Looking like a GU short, and maybe NZDU short. Those should probably be the easiest moves. I don't know about the UCAD long. Let's see that one. Nah, this one I wouldn't take. I would either go short here or short here. But we'll see what happens. This one I'm gonna take for sure. See the proper entry here. All right, 2 minutes to go. Almost there. I'm hoping this one pulls back a little bit more too. Got a minute and 30 seconds. Oh yeah, getting a pullback. Go even further. Go all the way down to the 21. All right, 55 seconds. All right, 5 seconds. Here we go. Let's see what we get. Okay. Big pullback. Don't think I'm gonna go long there. I kind of wanted to break through the level first. I probably can go short though on either the GU or the NZDU. But even for those, I want like a better entry. Yeah, I can't take any of these yet. A little bit too risky. So I'm gonna wait for something better. Yeah, this is pulling back a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Now I might actually go long on it. This is pulling back so far. Like I said, I wanted to come all the way down to the 21 EMA. That would be best entry. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is good. Okay. Okay. Let's see, am I gonna go for it? Three, 6, and 9. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay. So pretty straightforward. EMA pullback here. Hopefully I wasn't too early here, but all right. There's my trade there. I don't think it's too risky. It's a pretty nice pullback right to the 21. And then we're just waiting on the majors. Hopefully I can get something going on the one of the major pairs too. Because other than that, I don't see anything else. It's either going to be this here. I don't think the odd NCD is ready to do anything yet. So hopefully this one works out. Like I said, I have 3 different compound cycles going right now. I very highly doubt that I could fail all 3 of them. So as long as at least one of them works, I'll reach the target profit. Like I said, that'll probably happen sometime between now and Thursday. Right, it's definitely close to the stop loss, but it's a pretty common pattern here. Hoping that it doesn't fail, because I did take my compound trade on this one. Right. I'm still in there so far. Haven't gotten stopped out. I guess at worst, this trade could go down for like a 50% retrace instead of a pullback to the 21. I guess that's the worst result. I very highly doubt that it will go all the way back down. So this is looking a lot better now. But there is still a possibility that that the trade fails. I think it's a much better chance that it goes through though. And hopefully, because like I said, I don't see much else going on around the market. But yeah, to be okay with just taking this one trade. I'm okay with that. Number 2 of my compound cycle. So that means if I do win the trade, I'll get $900. It's pretty nice. And yeah, if these dollar pairs end up breaking out, if this ends up coming down further past this level here, I might do something on it later, but right now I don't think it's the best idea. I'm just gonna stick with this one for and if this one fails here, I'll probably just get back into it later. If it ends up going down further than my stop loss, I'll just get back into it. So it would suck that I lose the compound trade, but then I would make it up right after. So it'd be a break-even situation. Just in the case that that happens, it should be fine, really. I don't really see why it would come down much further. Market does look a little slow. Let me turn the volume on here. See. Well, the volume is high at least. So, yeah, I don't know. Hopefully it'll go through. If not, you know, like I said, I can just get back into it and zero it out. MKKM, how's it going? MK in the house. Yeah, man, it's about to be Ben's time. You like that one, huh? Ben's time, baby. Oh, okay. Did you go short or long on the EU? Did you go long as soon as they hit that resistance? Let's see. Am I gonna... Okay, let's see if this ends up failing. Looking not as good now. This, of course, would have been better with a buy stop order. Okay. Yeah, like I was saying, the dollar should go up. So, yeah, you can go short here, short here, short here, or here. NCDU is pretty good. I'm just not gonna enter those yet. I don't think it's like a super solid move. Whereas this one here should go at least 3. So I'll get my 3 reward here. And like I said, this is a $900 trade if it does go through. So I'm completely fine with just that for today. And then tomorrow I could take the final compound trade and just complete the whole thing. And make some money on my other accounts in the process. Okay, it's looking a lot better now. I just need a solid green bar and I'll feel pretty confident. But like I said, even if it does fail, it's okay. I would just re-enter later on and zero it out. And I still have 2 other compound cycles going anyway. So even if I do happen to fail this one, it's all good. I failed one, I got 2 others. Alrighty, it's looking way better now. As long as it gets past that consolidation. Let's see, I'm gonna put this on here. As long as it gets past here, then it should go through. And it's looking like it's about to do that right now. Okay, perfect. So I think it should go through now. Almost like guaranteed to go through now. There is this level though that it has to contend with. So it's a little bit risky, but not really. It really should just go through. And then the GU and the NZDU short, like I said, I didn't enter those, but those are going down really nicely, as I suspected. But yeah, they weren't strong enough moves in my opinion, so I didn't go for it. So this trade here only has like 10 pips to go. So it's should be a really easy trade. I'd be very, very surprised if this one failed. Alrighty. Like I said, this is a $900 trade. So if it goes through, I'm completely fine with just packing it up after that. I don't really need any more than that. So it is having to break through this level here. Let's see. Already got this pretty hefty level it has to break through. So it might consolidate a little bit. It might hesitate a little bit. Be sure to hit that like button if you're enjoying the stream and the channel. Helps me out quite a bit. Yeah, this is, I think it's a great trade, but there is a very small possibility of it coming back down for that 50% retrace. Like I said, that would be the worst case scenario, but even if that does happen, I can re-enter. It's not the end of the world or anything. It'll just be one loss, one compound loss, which kind of sucks, but... And as far as the majors, I'm really not sure the dollar is just going to keep going up. I don't know if that's going to happen. I think it's too risky. I'm going to pass on that one. This one should be reversing sometime between today and tomorrow. I won't say today because I don't think it has enough time today. William Mitchell, how's it going? Oh, thanks, man. Yes, slow and steady wins the race. You were absolutely right about that. Slow and steady and no vices. How about that? I got one left and it has nothing to do with trading. Maybe I'll talk about it later. Okay, it's looking a lot better now. Just gotta break through that level and we should be fine. This is one of my favorite pairs to trade just because it's so predictable. You can trade it almost every day. Probably most of my wins have come from the Euro GBP. You said no vices helps for sure. You know, we are human, so I think you have to have like that one thing that you probably, I don't know about shouldn't do. One little thing that like gives you your edge, I guess. Because being like a perfect person who doesn't make any mistakes and doesn't do anything wrong, I don't think that's good either. I don't think that's healthy either. Gotta have that like one thing that's your outlet for whatever, you know, stress relief or that one little thing that you like to do that maybe you shouldn't be doing. But yeah, as far as like nicotine, smoking cigarettes, smoking vapes, I'd say get rid of those for sure. If you're an excess drinker, get rid of that. Drug use, get rid of that. Anything like that, you can definitely get rid of. You know, save that kind of stuff for special occasions as far as that kind of stuff. Once or twice a year is not too bad. It just can't be a regular thing. And I only say this because I was able to quit all that stuff and it's made my life better and my trading a lot better. And the reason I was able to quit is because I was losing profits on my trading. So I quit immediately. Yep. Yeah, I agree with that. Healthy mind, healthy body, healthy spirit. It all goes together. Healthy bank account. So yeah, once this breaks past that level, it should pretty much go through right after that. So it could chop around for another half an hour before that happens. Hopefully not though. I'm hoping it just goes through. I definitely don't think it fails now. I think it goes through. It just might take forever. Some of these, this is a 3 reward here. So some of the 3 reward trades do end up taking forever. But of course I'm willing to wait. Doesn't matter if it takes 5 hours as long as it goes through. Yeah, I've traded in all my bad vices for good vices. So now, like last week, I went to the gym, I think 5 times. I did 2 runs. I did 3 sauna sessions and 3 weightlifting workouts. So I think I went 5 times. Okay, this should go through here. Because whatever energy you were spending on something, it has to go somewhere else. So all the energy I used to spend like drinking and partying and smoking the vape and everything, I now have like an extra, I don't know, 5 hours a week to do stuff. And I have way more energy. I can breathe better. It's just better off overall. A lot of work though. I definitely was like exhausted by Sunday, earlier today. Yeah, man, 5 times. Hell, one of my friends, he goes every day. Actually, no, I got a couple friends that go every day. I can think of at least 2 of them right now. So I wouldn't go more than 6. I think you need at least 1 day off from everything, which currently I don't have, but I'm working on it. Like I said, this inflation and them raising my rent and everything else kind of hit me kind of hard, especially the rent going up so much. So I've had to work a little bit more than I'm used to. But yeah, I'm working on that not being the case pretty soon. Yeah, it's possible that this bounces down off that level, but I don't think that's going to happen. This pair has put in like, how many bottoms here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's at a quadruple bottom here. So I mean, I don't even think it's possible for it to come down. And if it did, it would come down to like around here somewhere, maybe like the 21 EMA on the hourly chart. But I don't even think that's going to happen. I think it just goes through. This might actually be my favorite pair. It might be. Be sure to hit that like button, everybody, if you're enjoying the stream. Here's today's playlist, by the way, in case anyone wanted to check it out.
Like the way you
All right, is this trade gonna take forever? It might. Yeah, I don't see any other trades though, so I mean, I'm hoping this one goes through. I don't want to take any of these major pair trades. I don't think the dollar is in a stable place right now, so I'm just not even gonna bother. So I'm hoping this is just going to be a consolidation bar here on the 5-minute. But yeah, like I said, it's possible. It's possible it fails. I'm just hoping that it doesn't. And yeah, I must say my level of patience has gone way up since I'm actually working on that. Patience is a skill you have to build up. I'm gonna start to play this over. Okay, so while I'm waiting on this trade, I do want to check the news for the week. See what we have going on. Oh my goodness, look at tomorrow. Oh. Okay. Tomorrow's gonna be pretty hard to trade through. Wednesday looks okay. Thursday looks okay. And Friday looks okay. But yeah, tomorrow is going to be a disaster. All this news. But I'll still come in for the session anyway. Try to get something going. Okay. Let's see, I'm still hoping this goes through. Doesn't look bad. It just has to break through that level. All right, I'm gonna grab some more water. I'll be right back. Alrighty. So I'm still in there as of now. Let's see. Is it coming down? Yeah, I'm hoping that it's just gonna chop around for a little bit and take forever and not stop me out. Definitely taking his time. And yeah, the dollar pairs look like they might reverse too. So I might be able to get in on something over there. Maybe. Ah. Uh-oh. Not a good sign. Damn. So close. Okay. Let's see, am I gonna survive? Okay. Still in there. Yep, looks like the dollar pairs are reversing. I might take a trade over there on one of those. Okay. If I survive through this bar, then I'll probably be okay. Okay, it's looking halfway decent again. Oh my goodness. The stress level. Okay. All right, as long as I don't get stopped out here, I should be fine. But this is where it would happen if I'm going to get stopped out. Man, this will make my week so much easier. If this trade goes through, my week is going to be really easy. If it fails, then I'm going to have to zero it out with the next trade. So I'm like wasting a trade pretty much. So I'm hoping that it goes through. And what sucks is if it does fail, it's only going to go down to maybe like here and then go back up. So, but I can't move the stop though because it's a compound trade. So if moving the stop would just be too much of a loss. So I just have to eat the loss if that's what's going to happen. Go back up. Go back up. Ah, this is a close one. This is going to be a close one. Yeah, this is going to be a close one. Uh-oh. Okay. Did I get saved? Yeah, I think so. Whew. Okay, looks like I did get saved here. Had just enough stop loss on that one. Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, we got the start of a green bar. It's a good sign. How many pips stop loss? Let's see. It's like 3.2, 3.5, something like that. Here, the spread is kind of big on this pair, even though it's small all across FTMO pairs, but right now it's 1 on this one. Usually it's higher than that. Usually it's like 1.5. Yeah, very tight stop loss, which means very easy to get to take profit. And it's 3R on this one. On the second compound trade, so it's $300 instead of $100. If I win the trade, it is $900. So like I said, that if I do win this trade, it'll make my week super easy. I'll just need one more winning trade, and I'll have this new $50,000 account. getting hot now. All right, so I'll stay up for like another 10 minutes. I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades. I don't see much else going on. Tomorrow is gonna be really difficult, like I said, with all that news happening. But I'll at least come in and see if I can navigate my way through it. Not a big fan of trading during the news, but you know, I don't want to not trade either for a whole day. So I'll try. If there's nothing, then there's nothing. I won't take any trades tomorrow. But you never know. You never know what's gonna happen. Oh man, thank goodness. It's looking a lot better now. Still not guaranteed to go through, but it's definitely moving in the right direction here. Yeah, this one of those trades that could end up taking like 5 hours for no reason at all, just because it's up against that level. So it'll just bounce around, chop around for like 3 hours, and then finally go through later. Yeah, like I said, it's a possibility I get stopped out. Very low chance though. It really should just go through. You could also set a buy stop above that top level on the 5-minute chart, which is something I might do. In the case that this one fails, I can just enter another regular trade at the top over there, because once it finally breaks over that level, it's gonna probably just shoot up after that. So there's a chance that it's not ready yet, but that's what's going to eventually happen. Yeah, this is it right here. Either it fails or goes through right here. This is gonna be the deciding factor. And there's 3 minutes until the hour. So that hourly chart is gonna update after that too. It's kind of like this is gonna be the decider here. Oh, I hope it goes through. Just make my week so much easier. And then tomorrow I won't be able to take any compound trades just because of all the news. So the next time I could take a compound trade would be on either Wednesday or Thursday. I'm assuming the odd NCD will be going up by then, so I'll probably be able to get one on there. Okay, got 2 minutes until the hour. So let's see what happens here. Ah, man. I wish I could double the stop because that's probably all it needs to. I can't do it though. Can't move the stop on compound trades, unfortunately. Okay, got 30 seconds until the hour. Oh. No, don't do it. Oh my goodness. 5 seconds, 5 seconds. Let's see. Ooh. Oh. No, 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 no. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh. God. Man, this is a stressful one here. Yes, yes, yes. Oh. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. That's a great sign. Still not out of the woods yet. Oh, man. I'm gonna have to ask my doctor for some heart medication. I'm gonna tell him about this. Yes, hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars on the line nightly, Monday through Friday. You know, no big deal, no big deal. Ah. I swear, all I need to do is double the stop. I might as well just do it. And just let the... Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. I think I'm okay now. Lord. Man. That was like 0.2 pips away from the stop loss. Very close one. Maybe I should double the stop anyway though. That would mean I would take up 2 of my compound cycles if I were to lose it, which is not the best thing ever, but I don't think I could lose it if I double the stop. I don't think the price could go down that low, but it could go like a little bit under where it is now. That's a huge loss though if it does go. Yeah, it might be too risky. I might still do it. I gotta decide. I'm gonna decide like the next 5 minutes. Very low chance of it going back down. Just look at the hourly chart. Very, very, very low chance. Yeah, maybe I just leave it. If it fails, it fails. It's only one. I still have 2 other compound cycles left anyway. It's not like... Yeah. I think I just leave it. Okay. Alrighty, so this is the only trade I'm going to take today. I don't see anything else. I'm going to take a quick look around. This should be a nice trade, possibly tomorrow. I know this is going to come up either tomorrow or Wednesday. I'm going to keep an eye on that. The yens are kind of stalled out right now. EGBP, I probably do win this one, honestly. The dollar pairs, this doesn't look stable at all to me. It could go up, it could go down. I wouldn't take any trades on it. So there's really nothing else to trade. Gold and the S&P kind of stalled out too. So yeah, I think this is the only trade for today. Only like good one. So I'll go ahead and call it a day there. I'll have a recap video in the morning. Hopefully that EGBP will be a winner. It'll be plus 900 if it is. So go ahead and check, be on the lookout for that. I'll have it up like maybe 8:30 in the morning tomorrow. Sorry, 9:30 in the morning tomorrow. Yeah, and then I'll be back for my live stream at 11:30 p.m. Pacific time as usual. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Later.